Hey, 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 it's Sean Vaughn, and this is my 40 Plus Life. Today, we are preparing for the Christmas holidays. Yes! And I am so excited to bring to you 3 easy DIY Christmas gifts. Now, I'm going to tell you guys, I like to think of myself as a very crafty person. And I've always been a very crafty person. Even as a child, I used to literally wait every single month for highlight books. Do y'all remember those highlight books? Do they even still make those highlight books? I could possibly be dating myself by saying that, but no. This is my 40 plus life. You guys already know how old I am. So I used to wait for those highlight books because in every single highlight book, they had a craft activity to do. And I loved doing those. Even through my life today, I love just doing some type of craft. So I figured since we are heading into the holiday season, getting ready for those holiday parties, maybe looking for those cheap Christmas gifts for teachers and friends, but gifts that they'll like, and even preparing for the white elephant parties. What in the world does an elephant have to do with gifts and Christmas? And why does the elephant have to be white? Why not do 3 easy, very easy DIY gift ideas and share those with you? Now, if you follow me on any of my social media platforms, you will know that I am a lover of mugs. Yes, I absolutely love mugs. Who doesn't love a cute mug? So each of the DIY Christmas gifts that I'm doing with you today all revolve around a mug. All right, you guys excited? Let's go. Gift number 1 is a marbled mug. This is absolutely one of the easiest and cutest gifts that you can make. And need I say, the cheapest gift you could probably ever make. All you're going to need for this project is, of course, a mug. I've only tried this out on white mugs, so definitely use a white mug because I don't want y'all fussing at me if you go use a different mug. So pick up a white mug, and I've seen mugs at the Dollar Tree. I've seen the white mugs at Walmart. I actually ordered mine from Amazon because I wanted to order quite a few. You will also need at least 2 different colors of nail polish or more, because you can use as many colors in this project as you desire, and a bowl of water. All you have to do is drop the different nail polish colors into the water. You can do swirls, you can do drops, you can do circles, whatever you desire to give a cool marble effect to your mug, you do that. Once you have both colors or more, then you want to take your mug and you want to sit it down in the bowl. Y'all, the colors will automatically wrap around your mug. And voila, there you have it. Your first Christmas gift, a beautiful marbled mug. Now, depending on how high up the mug you want your colors to go will depend on the size of the bowl and the amount of water and color that you're using with your nail polish. So to get the color to the very top or as close to the top as possible, make sure your mug sits deep enough into your bowl and is covered with the water. Once my marbled mugs have dried, then I take Mod Podge and I kind of seal the color in, so when I give it to somebody, just in case if they put it in the dishwasher, it will kind of help preserve the colors for a longer period of time. Now, you can always spruce up your gift by adding the name of the person who you're gifting it to or their initials. Or you can do what I did. I actually bought 2 additional colors of the nail polish that I used for this particular mug, and I added that to the inside of the mug and adorned it with a cute angel ornament. Y'all, I absolutely love this mug. I think it turned out so cute. And then adding the nail polish in with the ornament of the angel, I think gives it a very cute touch, and I know exactly who I'm going to give this to. Gift number 2 is peppermint bark. I absolutely love peppermint bark for the holidays, and it is super, super, super easy to make, and there is no baking involved. No baking. All you need for your peppermint bark is a bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips, white chocolate chips, or in this case, I found the white chocolate bars. You'll need some peppermints, a spatula, wax paper, a sheet pan, and a microwave safe bowl. First, you need to pour your chocolate chips into your microwave safe bowl and put that into the microwave in 1-minute increments to begin melting. Take it out, stir it, and if it's not melted as it should be, then you replace that back in the microwave for another minute, and you'll repeat that process until fully melted. Next, line your sheet pan with your wax paper, and what you're going to do is take that melted chocolate, pour it into the sheet pan, and spread. Now, you don't want to spread it too thin, depending on how thick you want your peppermint bark. So just try not to make it too thin, or at least I don't like to make it thin. Set it aside so that it can firm just a little bit. Next, you're going to do the same thing with your white chocolate. You're going to put that in your microwave safe bowl, pop it into the microwave, and melt. Now, while your white chocolate is melting, you can use this opportunity to actually crush your peppermints. And all I did was put some peppermints on my wax paper, kind of folded that up, and I used an old school wooden rolling pin, and I hit those suckers and crushed them. Once your white chocolate has melted, you are going to take that white chocolate and pour that on top of your chocolate chips melted mixture. So once you have poured your white chocolate on top of your brown chocolate, now you can take your crushed peppermints and sprinkle those all on top of the white chocolate. You're going to let that sit and firm up a little bit, and once firm, then you can cut it into squares, shards, whatever you prefer. And all you have to do is take some of your peppermint bark squares or shards, place them into a clear bag, tie that clear bag off with a Christmassy tie, place it in one of your marbled mugs, and you can add a package of hot chocolate and a couple of peppermints, and voila, you have another cute gift. Y'all, isn't this the cutest gift that you can give? Peppermint bark, some peppermint, some hot chocolate, and in a cute marbled mug that you created. One of the best gifts ever, right? So, you know what that means. We are 2 gifts down. Now it is on to gift number 3. Okay, this last gift is probably one of my favorite gifts. And I'm going to tell you why. When you think about Christmas, what is one of the things that just makes Christmas so Christmassy? For me, it's all about the Christmas smells. That's right. I love the scents of Christmas, the pine needles and the food baking. It's all about the Christmas smells that make Christmas. So what better gift to give someone other than a homemade candle? Yes, a candle that smells so good, and one that was made specifically by you. And when I tell you that this is the easiest candle you will ever make, I mean it is the easiest candle you will ever make. And you get to use one of your marbled mugs.
For this simple gift, all you need are some dollar store candles. That's right, you go to the Dollar Tree and you pick up some candles just like these that I have. I picked up 2 just in case I didn't have enough melted wax. You also want to pick up some of the scented wax melts, and this is what's going to help us create our own special scent for our candles. I have some sandalwood oil, and if you're feeling a little daring, you can pick up some potpourri and some glitter. And of course, you're going to need your marbled mug. What you need to do first is take your candle and place it on a cookie sheet. Put it in the oven on 300 degrees until it fully melts. Once it has melted, you're going to remove that. And I know you guys were wondering, well, we don't have a wick for candles. Guess what? We're just going to use that wick that was in that candle right there. That's right. Take that wick out and set it aside. Next, add your wax melts into the candle liquid that has melted. And I'm going to also put a little drop of my oil in there, and this is what's going to help create the scent that we want for our candle. We're going to place this back into the oven until it melts further. Now, while we're waiting, let's place our wick in our mug. Now, I'm going to tell you guys, the best way to do that is by using a hot glue gun and just putting a little dab of the hot glue on the bottom of the wick, and you stick that into the bottom of your mug. But y'all, I have no idea where my hot glue gun is, so I'm just gonna make it do what it do, baby, okay? Now, once you have your wick in your mug, you wanna kind of stabilize your wick as much as possible. So take a wooden stick, a popsicle stick, a spoon, whatever you may have, and wrap the top of that wick around your stick so it can provide some of the stabilization. Now, all you have to do is pour and pour some more. Yes, pour that wax into your mug. Now, for me, I'm leaving a little bit of my wax out because I want the bottom of the wax to firm a little bit, because I want to add some of this potpourri and some glitter on top. And if I do that as it is right now, then it's just going to float to the bottom. So once it firms a little bit, then I'll take this wax that I've saved, pour that on top, and then I'll sprinkle some of the potpourri buds that I have and some of that glitter on top to make it a more festive looking candle.
There you have it. 3 marbled mugs used in 3 different ways to create 3 beautiful and easy and affordable Christmas gifts, DIY style. But I think I may know what you guys may be wondering right now. I know you're wondering, what is in your mug, Sean? Well, you know that I cannot let an episode go by without sharing one of my favorite cocktail recipes. And this is what I call eggnog the hard way. So let's make this eggnog the hard way. It is simple. It takes a quick second, and this is all you have to do. All you need is your favorite eggnog and your best whiskey or bourbon. I would say maybe a shot glass full. All you need to do is mix that in with your eggnog really well, and there you have it, eggnog the hard way.
I'm in heaven.
And it is so good, but it can be so strong. And if you're not a fan of eggnog, I bet you'll love eggnog the hard way. It's Christmas, it's Christmas, it's Christmas. Were these DIY Christmas ideas something that you might try? Did you like one of the mugs better than the other one? If so, why don't you comment below and let me know? I would love, love, love to hear your thoughts. And I am going to randomly choose a commenter from below to send you your very own Sean Vaughn marbled mug. I don't know if you guys will really want it, but I'm going to send it to you. And it's also going to help me kick off my 13 days of Christmas that will be coming really soon. So in order to take part in that, you're going to have to follow me on my social media platforms, which is where I will be doing my 13 days of Christmas. So if you do not follow me on Instagram or Twitter, whatever social media platform, go to it now. Right here, right here. And I can't wait to share the 13 days of Christmas that I have planned just for you, this gift giveaway. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It means a lot to me. Oh, and do you like the shirt? Because if you like the shirt, you can get yourself this shirt, and it will be a great gift to give to someone else. So just head on over to SeanVaughn.com where you can get this shirt, the mug to this shirt. I have some other cute shirts, some that I think some of you will really enjoy. So head over to SeanVaughn.com and pick yours up today. Guys, thank you so much for watching. All I want you to do is give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed these DIY Christmas gifts, and if you're going to try it, leave me a comment below so that I can randomly draw you for a Sean Von marbled mug. And subscribe if you have not subscribed. It would really make my Christmas and Thanksgiving, because we still haven't made it to Thanksgiving yet, very, very special. Guys, thank you so much. I am Sean Von, and this has been my 40 Plus Life.